Hey friends out there, in this video we are going to learn about SAT reading and writing, and the topic is plurals and possessive. So let me start with the definition of possessive. So what are possessive? Possessives are noun and pronoun that shows possession. Possessive means noun and pronoun that shows possession. Pardon my handwriting. Okay, that shows possession. Like if and this are denoted by apostrophe s. Okay, so we use this when we have to show ownership or possession. Like I give you an example that this is Mike's pen. So here the noun Mike is used as here possessive because we have added apostrophe s here, so it shows possession of Mike's towards the pen, that it is a Mike's pen here. Here the noun we use is Mike, and we use this to show possession by using apostrophe s, so we show that possession of Mike's toward his or her pen. Okay, now what is plural? Here plural definition is very simple, and I hope you all know that what are plurals. So plurals are used to denote something which is in more than one quantity. It is used to denote when something is in more than one quantity, more than one in quantity. When something is more than one in quantity, we use plurals. Like she has so many pens. So here noun pens, here the noun is pen, but we use here the noun is pen, but we here use it as a plural because she has more than one pen, so we add an s here that she has so many pens. Now let me give you an example here of the statement, and you have to find the mistake from in this. Find the mistakes in this sentence. I'll give you 10 seconds or pause this video to solve yourself. Find the mistake. Let me read it for you. One cannot overstate the importance of bees to the pollination of I don't know how to pronounce this, Micheng's blueberry crops. So now you have to find an error in that. Okay, so I hope you paused the video and solved that. Yeah, so in this first, let me zoom it for you. Yeah, so the first here, it's the first mistake is here they have used possessive in B because it is wrong. Here it will come plural because here we are not talking about the crop of, here the possessive belongs to this tree, the blueberry crop. Here we are talking about the pollination of crop, and pollination of which crop? This crop. So the possessive should belong to this, not the bees. Here bees should be in plural because we are referring to it in larger quantity, that yeah, the contribution of bees. The here main purpose of the sentence is to show the pollination of this crop, so the possessive belongs to this, but here only plural will come, which would it will become bees, and here it is wrong because here it will come possessive, as I explained previously that we are talking about this crop. Okay, so here we are talking about crop, which blueberry crop? Here we are talking about this blueberry crop, so it should be possessive, not plural. So here let me zoom it to mistakes. Yeah, let me erase so I can write it clearly for you. So here I just need to erase the apostrophe from the B. I just need to erase it. Let me adjust my, yeah, now it is correct, and here G will come, yeah, and here an apostrophe will come. So now it is perfect that the blueberry crop is of this species, so it is the possessive belongs to this species, and here plural belongs to bees. So now this is the perfect sentence here it is formed. Now let me give you some tips here for you that how to form plurals and possessive. So whenever there is a singular possessive noun, whenever there is singular my stylus is not working, yeah, whenever there is singular possessive nouns sorry yeah, so whenever there is singular possessive noun, we require a apostrophe before s. Whenever, like I gave you example of Mike here, that it is a singular noun, and we will, if it is singular possessive noun, we will add apostrophe before s. But if it is plural, then we require the apostrophe after the s. Like if I give you an example that here men, so it is plural, but here the apostrophe will come before s, because if we see it as a word, it is still a singular. So here if we refer this as a plural noun, but still it is an exception that here before s apostrophe will come. Now if I give you an example, yeah, heroes, here apostrophe will come after s. Now if I talk about plural nouns, of course plural nouns do not require any kind of apostrophe, and pronouns that are possessive never use apostrophe. Okay, the pronouns that are possessive never use apostrophe. Let me give you a quick recap. Listen carefully. Singular possessive noun require apostrophe before s. Plural nouns, only plural nouns do not require an apostrophe. As I said here in the example that here it is the bees, sorry, the bee, oh yeah, here the, let me change the color here, the bees, here the bees is plural and it does not require any apostrophe because it is a plural noun. And if it is a plural possessive noun, here heroes, then the apostrophe will come after s, but here it is the exception that it will come before s even though it is a plural noun, a plural possessive noun. Okay, now how to identify whether the SAT question asks you to identify plural and possessive. So the first factor to look is they. Choices add or remove, choices add or remove apostrophes. And the second look is the choice change the placement of apostrophe. If the choice is change the placement of apostrophe. Okay, let me write it in the short. Okay, now I hope you understand till here, and please do comment what should I improve in myself, and please help me with my this extracurricular. It will help you a lot and a lot to me too, and please do comment. Now let's go dive into the last topic, which is top tips from me. Is the first is check all the nouns. Check all the check all the nouns. And I said this because SAT question may include two nouns in the blank, and the choices will include variations, so be sure that the answer you choose uses apostrophes correctly in both nouns. Okay, now be aware of its and their. Okay, this is important, please note. Be aware of its and their. In this, they don't require an apostrophe, but in this let me write it for you here. Its and their do not require apostrophe, but if we talk about this its, they do require apostrophe. And if I talk about their, they too require apostrophe. This both require apostrophe, but this too does not require apostrophe. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Please guys do like, share and subscribe. Lots of love.